Hey guys, my name's Natalie Barbara, and today I'll be giving you guys instructions on how to lower your gurney. Getting to know your equipment. Here we have our wall mount. This will secure the gurney. You will actually hear it click when you've secured it correctly. Here we have our floor mount. This is often referred to as horns. This is where the gurney will sit. You have our safety hook here, which is found on the floor of the ambulance, as you can see. This ensures the patient will not be dropped when lifting. Here we have our safety latch, which is a black thing. This will secure the gurney to the safety hook. Safety latch must always be hooked before lifting the patient. Again, this is all for patient safety, ensuring that the patient will never be dropped. Here we have our gurney controls. You have our minus button, which will lower the gurney. You have your plus button, which will raise the gurney. Down here at the bottom, you have a secondary set of controls. They look exactly as the ones on top. We have secondary set on the bottom because we usually grab the lowest point of the gurney to lift it higher up when lifting a patient. Here we have a red circle that is to check your battery level. You push it and your battery level will blink a color. This will bring me to my next point, knowing what each battery color means. When your battery color is green, that means your battery is fully charged. When it's yellow, that means your battery needs charging. When your battery is yellow, you will actually begin to notice that your gurney no longer lowers or raises as quickly as it does. It used to. It will lower and raise really slowly. When your battery is red, that means that your battery is dead, and you will no longer be able to raise or lower your battery or your gurney. My apologies. Let's get started. Step 1. Lift the bumper, if applicable. I only say this because some ambulances don't have bumpers that can be lifted. I have found you an example of one that does. So here's a bumper of an ambulance. Simply lift it up, and that's step 1. Here's step 2. Place the gurney into loader mode. You press the plus button until the gurney no longer lifts. You will know you are in loader mode when the head of the gurney is higher than the feet. Unfortunately, I don't have a picture to show you for you guys. I will have one for my final draft. Step 3. Push the gurney head first into the ambulance, as shown. Actually, it's kind of a good picture for your loader mode. You can see that the gurney is kind of at an angle here. This is what it would look like. Step 4. Lower the gurney so the safety latch touches the floor. This will ensure that the safety latch will be caught by the safety hook. Step 5. Pull the gurney out until the safety latch is caught by the safety hook. Step 6. Lifting the patient. Use the power lift technique to ensure, and please ensure that you lift with your legs and not your back. Maintain this posture throughout the lifting process. This is strictly for your safety. This is an example of how not to lift. As you can see, this person is bent over at the waist, and when they lift, they will be lifting with their back. This can cause serious back injury, so we don't ever lift like this. Here is the correct way to begin to lift. You get as low as you can, and you maintain your posture. And when this person lifts, they will actually be using their legs to push up, and they will maintain this exact same posture. This is how we do it. This is the way not to get hurt. Step 7. When the patient is lifted, walk the gurney into the ambulance and towards the horns. Step 8. Guide the gurney into the horns or the floor mount. Step 9. Push the gurney to the left to clip it into the wall mount. Ensure that the wall mount clicks. That means that you are safely secured. Step 10. Close the ambulance doors and transport the patient. I apologize. I have not been able to get a video of the entirety of the thing, but I will have one by the final draft. Thank you very much for your time.